Guess the word. What am I?
Welcome back to
Academy Port.
Hello viewer. I will be your host for today's game.
Are you ready to have some fun? Game rules.
Read each clue and guess the word.
The group that has the most points is the winner. Are you ready? Let's start. What am I? I am a large board used for writing or displaying information during lessons.
I am a
blackboard. What am I?
You need me in writing. I am used for taking notes or completing assignments. I am a
pencil or pen. What am I? I carry books, supplies, and personal belongings to and from school.
I am a
backpack. What am I?
I am a piece of furniture with a flat surface for you to work on. I am a
desk. What am I? I am used for learning and reference. I am typically found on shelves in the library.
I am a
book. What am I? I am a device that allows you to input information into a computer by pressing keys.
I am a
keyboard. What am I?
I am a round object often used for playing sports, and I bounce when thrown or kicked. I am a
bow. What am I? I am a thin, flat object made of wood or cardboard, and people often write or draw on me.
I am a
paper. What am I? I am a device that tells time and can be worn on the wrist.
I am a
watch. What am I? I am a piece of furniture with shelves, used for storing books and other items.
I am a
bookshelf. What am I?
I am a tool with a metal blade, used for cutting paper. I am a
scissors. What am I? I am a small electronic device that plays music.
I am a
MP3 player. What am I? I am a vehicle with two wheels that is powered by pedaling.
I am a
bicycle. What am I?
I am a sweet treat made from frozen water or cream, often enjoyed on a hot day. I am a
ice cream. What am I? I am a large, four-legged mammal often used for riding or as a work animal.
I am a horse.
What am I? I am a device used for capturing images.
I am a
camera. What am I? I am a flat, circular object used for covering and protecting food.
I am a
plate. What am I? I am a piece of clothing worn on the feet to provide warmth and comfort.
I am a
socks. What am I?
I am a large, wheeled vehicle used for transporting goods.
I am a truck. What am I?
I am a device that produces light by passing an electric current through a gas-filled tube.
I am a fluorescent light. What am I? I am a cylindrical object used for storing and dispensing a beverage like coffee. I am a thermos. What am I? I am a piece of equipment worn on the head for protection or as a fashion accessory. I am a hat. What am I?
I am a device that records and plays back audio or video content.
I am a
recorder.
What am I? I am a piece of equipment with a flat, circular surface and a handle, used for cooking pancakes. I am a frying pan. What am I?
I am a small, portable container for carrying food or drink.
I am a
lunchbox.
What am I? I am a tool with a serrated blade used for cutting through various materials. I am a
saw.
What am I? I am a device that converts electrical energy into motion, often used for cooling a room. I am a
fan.
What am I? I am a device that displays the time and wakes you up in the morning. I am an alarm clock. What am I? I am a piece of furniture with a flat top and storage drawers, often used for writing or working. I am a
desk.
What am I? I am a thin, flexible material used for covering surfaces or wrapping objects. I am plastic.
Wrap.
What am I? I am a container used for boiling liquids, often with a spout for pouring. I am a
kettle.
What am I? I am a piece of equipment used for playing music by vibrating strings with a bow. I am a violin. What am I?
I am a device used for measuring time by the flow of sand through a narrow opening.
I am an hourglass. What am I? I am a small, portable device used for listening to music with headphones. I am an iPod. What am I? I am a cylindrical container used for storing and dispensing beverages like soda. I am a soda can. What am I? I am a piece of clothing worn on the upper part of the body with buttons or a zipper. I am a jacket. What am I? I am a device used for projecting images onto a screen or wall. I am a projector. What am I? I am a small, rectangular object used for storing and carrying data. I am a USB flash drive. What am I?
I am a device that measures and displays the temperature of the surrounding environment.
I am a thermometer. What am I? I am a device that allows you to capture and print documents and images. I am a printer. What am I? I am a small, cylindrical object that produces light when ignited. I am a candle. What am I? I am a small, rectangular object used for writing or drawing with a stick of pigment. I am a chalk. What am I? I am a small, handheld device used for navigating and interacting with a computer screen. I am a computer mouse.
Thank you.
See you next videos. Please like, share or subscribe.